it's Milky Way.
Snickers, eating the nougat first. And then the caramel and the peanuts and chocolate. That's the best.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Hey guys, it's Nerfer Reilly here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the, actually not Nerf, but kind of Nerf, but the Airzone Sniper Rifle. So this is an actual sniper rifle. It's climbing on the top. When you leave it up like that, it will be locked. But when you put it down, really loud. No barrel extender. But it's got this really nice thing that you can aim with. It's got a really comfortable stock. It's really comfortable, easy to move. It's really thin. When you look like there, if you just have one of these, look like that, look right there, it will look like Walking Dead. Okay. And this is a tactical rail, which I need to talk about it. So I'm gonna go grab an attachment. Alright, so here I have Star Wars scope. If I just take the Star Wars scope and try to put it on there, why is it not going on? It's really hard to put on because this has an outline of those bumps on the tactical rail. This is an Airzone tactical rail. Did somebody just fart? Alright. It will go on. Why isn't it going on all the way? Well, this is an Airzone tactical rail, and it's going to be crazily hard to take off. That's why I never use this. That's pretty garbage. That's why did this gun not come with an Airzone scope? That's pretty dumb. Because normally the guns will come with the scope that belongs to it, but overall that's dumb. This is really loud, really easy to prime. Well, I mean, it's easy to prime, when the stock is on you, easy to push back. This, let me show you the clip that comes with it. Oh yeah, and the awesome thing about it is it comes with shells. Now normally for you there's going to be 4 shells. I lost 2 of them, and I think I lost 2 of my darts. And I think these are the darts that belong with it. It's either these 2 purple sticky darts or the 2 black, the ones that have the black stickiness. It definitely didn't come with one of the N-Strike Elite, those N-Strike Elite ones. That's sticky. Yeah. Also, it's got this texture right there. It's a little bumpy, really bumpy. Oh yeah, and it's got that little hole right there, which is kind of cool. And I never modded it. So that's kind of cool. And if you use N-Strike Elite blasters, it'll just stick like up. And then here's the magazine. It's a little rattly. It's got spring action. Really easy to go down. All you have to do is just you can't slip it in like normal Nerf darts. You can't just slip. You can just slip it in like that. But this one you can't because of the roundness. And it's so hard, and it's much bigger than those two. See, you can see the difference. Yeah. It only works if you put it in like that. And then you put the clip in. Oh yeah, and it has the number 4 right there. And really faint orange letters. Oh, there we go. And you may be wondering, why isn't it coming out? Well, there's no button like on normal Nerf guns. You can't just push the random button right there and then take it out. The button is actually right there. Let me just find a way to take this out. Alright, so the button's right there. See? It will only go out like if you press that yellow button. So now it's a pretty good blaster. Looks good. Feels good. Like awesome. Looks like a good blaster. Oh dang! Ow!
Okay. I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh, that's okay.
Sorry, Star.
It's okay.
Watch out.
Did you just crack it?
Michael, go.
How did you do that? By the way, I play the French horn.
Like this. I'm gonna blow it really quick. There you go.
It sounds a little messy.
Blow it out.
Okay. How do you do that? Do that. How do you do that?
Just blow.
Oh,
Oh, like this. There you go.
anyways, yeah. So takes cool blaster. Watch this. Oh, you want to see the dart? Oh, never mind. And you want to see the shell come out? It's awesome when the shell comes out. Watch the shelf now. Isn't that awesome? That was just... That's like super sweet. That was 2 shots right there. Yeah. No tactical rail on the top. It's got this nice grip. It's got like an extendable barrel.
The Dubois boys are coming over.
What?
The Dubois boys are coming over.
Who are the Dubois boys?
Holden, Nolan, Cole.
Oh, the Dubois boys. Yeah. I have these friends named Holden, Nolan, and Cole, and my dad called them the Dubois boys, and I was like, "What the? Who's the Dubois boys?" Yeah, that was kind of funny. So yeah, it's got that little pin that I don't know if YouTube can see it. There, yeah. See that little circle thing with the hole? That's the pin. When you prime it back, it goes back, and then when you like prime it forward, it will pull it back, and then it will lock in place. And then once you press the trigger, I think this is how it works. The lever will release and take it out of place, and then the pin will push forward, and it will fire a dart. And then I'm not sure how. Oh yeah, I think it's that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that thing that makes the what is it? Yeah, the shell come out. Let me go pick up the darts. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and as always, this was Nerfer Reilly. Dun 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 dun. Signing off. Dun dun dun.